and you're watching and hearing that correctly. You're at Kuya JDL's vlog, and I'm taking it over for tonight for Freestyles It's About Time concert happening at Oasis Center in Mississauga, presented to us by Aptitude Entertainment and I Love TV. It's going to be an amazing night of nostalgia, your favorite OPM songs, and I can wait to see them. So let's go. Let's check out what's going on in here, and let's hear it from the music lovers themselves. But before that, just want to shout out to Kuya JDL. Kuya JDL, show yourself. Show yourself.
Okay, thank you for doing this. Hello. Thank you for doing this to my channel, Jelly Kiss. Okay, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa mapunaw sa maayos. Anyway, dahil freestyle itong papanoorin natin, freestyle kami ngayon. Wala kaming sinusunod na programa, kung ano lang yung nasa isip namin. At titignan namin, sana magawa namin ng maayos.
No script at all, anything goes on, but it's gonna be fun. Thank you for letting me take over your vlog for tonight.
Thank you, it's a privilege. Okay.
Woo, let's go.
Usap na.
All right. Hi, ladies. So we're watching freestyle tonight. Any favorite freestyle songs that you're looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to hear my number one favorite song of all time freestyle is This Time.
This Time. I love This Time. I was listening to it a while ago on our way here. Sinong naalala mo sa This Time?
Secret.
Secret. How about you? Favorite freestyle song?
Before I Let You Go.
Of course, the
Yeah.
classic.
Yeah.
Meron ka bang naalalang special someone? Or maybe unspecial na? Kasi Before I Let You Go.
I just like the instruments. I love listening to it every night. It's soothing.
That's true. Such a classic. Thank you. Have fun. Woo, let's go. Before I Let You Go, and this time, too classic. Ako, madami. Actually, so slow. Let's take it slow.
Nung nag-host ka sa press con, feeling ko ang gusto mo yung yung once in a lifetime.
Oo, gusto ko rin yan. Actually, mga kanta nila talagang alam mo yun, very nakaka-inlove talaga. Naalala mo ba kung ilang taong ka pa nun nung sumikat yung talagang peak ng freestyle?
18 years old ako noon, second year college.
Wow.
18 years old.
Here's I Love TV! Ikaw, I Love TV, come here! Come here! Nagpa-cameo lang siya. But yeah, I know, I remember being in high school when, during those Before I Let You Go days, it was just like a lot of memories. Especially nung nag-major concert sila, naalala mo yun, doon din nabuhay.
Sa Araneta, right?
Yeah, doon nabuhay yung
Wala pa akong pambili ng ticket.
meron lang ako nung pirated CD.
Okay. So for me, pero nung waiter kasi ko nun sa Rockwell, sa may isang restaurant doon. And then nagpe-perform sila every Friday sa Dish. Merong pub doon na pangalan Dish, lagi silang nandun. Kaso syempre, naka-duty ka, hindi ka pwede manood. Right?
May kinig ka na lang. But you know, how privileged that is, that you
Yeah.
get to like hear them sing while working. So, yeah, how about these guys are like so privileged to be able to like, to watch freestyle perform tonight. I believe there's going to be like a mix of old and new. Sabi nga nila sa press ko nila kahapon. So it's going to be like, old freestyle meets the new freestyle. So I'm so excited to see all that. Hi guys! I'm pretty sure you're excited to see freestyle tonight. Any most favorite freestyle song that you're looking forward to hear?
I think it's Before I Let You Go.
Before I Let You Go. Sino naiisip sa Before I Let You Go? Charot. Joke lang. But have fun. Woo! Nag-iintriga pa eh, no? Alright, and we actually,
Tingnan sa loob.
ha?
Sa loob.
Ooh, sure. I believe there's going to be a lot of local talents. Syempre, bibisitahin natin yung mga local talents who will be performing tonight. Let's support our very own. This is the chance na pakita nila yung talent nila sa community, 'di ba? So, let's check it out. First up, ito yung pinaka-idol ko talaga sa lahat.
Maglilinis pa po kasi ako ng washroom. Ano po yun?
Anong kakantahin mo mamaya?
Kakatayin ko po, Forever po.
Before I let you go.
Hindi. Ano po, akatay ko po, kalahati po ng Destiny, tsaka ano po, Forever, Martin Rivera and Regine Velasquez. Siyempre, ang kaduwit ko dito, si Bev Sara.
Grabe naman. Kaya nga naubo na ako. Sabi ko, grabe.
Yung may carousel sa likod.
Bev Saraza. It's a powerhouse in here. Yeah, of course, we have, ano nga name mo?
Bart Santos.
Mark Santos, of course, Bart Santos, I saw him perform, and it's really, really good. And Belle, hi.
Veneration. Bell Veneration.
And there you go. So we're amazing front acts. I know, right? And of course, Harry Mary.
Mary 12, the best.
Yeah, one of the best here. Oh my gosh. And of course, we have Pinoy. Wait lang, i-introduce mo lang kita.
Sige.
Siyempre, we have the amazing from Pinoy Vibes World, the one, the only, DJ Ryan Orlando. Woohoo!
Thank you so much. I would like to thank my followers to unfollow me as soon as possible. Thank you.
Daming follower. Exclusive look before we start the show. Let's check it out. We'll just check out the stage. Uy, para tayo ikakasal. Look at that. So pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Look at those chairs. The photo booth is so cool.
Hello po.
Hello. Ano masasabi mo?
Wala akong masabi. Sumundo sa Nakita ko yan sumundo sa airport eh.
Ha?
Sumundo yan sa airport
Sumundo sa iba nakita ko kanina eh. Ano eh, bulto-bulto ng mga drinks.
Magkakalasingan tayo kaya punta na kayo dito sa freestyle.
Freestyling tonight. We'll be freestyling tonight. Ayan. Meron ka bang favorite freestyle song that you wanna dedicate to?
Nablangko ako tuloy. Ayaw na ako, iniisip pa ako eh.
Iniisip.
Yung ano. Yun.
Ba't naman before I let you go? Napakalungkot naman. Napakalungkot naman nun.
Ano yung yun ang sumikat na kanta nila, di ba? Kaya gusto ko yung kanta na yun.
Yes. Sample nga. But
Hindi, baka
before I let...
Diyan pa naman.
Alright.
Thank you, thank
Have
you.
fun. Thank you. Sampulan natin to. Sampulan natin tong...
Pagkabot namin dalawa.
Try natin to. Sige. Ayan, okay. Ay, wait lang. Nag-upload pa siya eh. Yan.
Ano yan? Ikot ba kami?
Yes, I think iikot siya. Ayan na, 3, 2, Yes.
Parang ano
We are from Zubo and we do catering, we do event planning, and of course we have photo booth, we have photographers, videographers, DJ, MC, lahat-lahat na hair and makeup, all one
Ayan.
package. Ayan. And thank you so much Aptitude, kahit ma-attitude kayo katulad ko kasi you entrusted us with our
Ang ganda nun
Attitude for aptitude, no less.
tatanungin ka na ni Jelly kung ano yung...
Forward to here tonight. Before I let you go, syempre.
Let you go.
Yun lang.
Sabay-sabay nga tayo. But baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you.
Parang may kinantahan na kayo. Iniisip ko nga kanina sa daan eh. Yung freestyle, isa sila sa mga artist na napagsasama-sama yung mga kolehiyala, yung mga probinsyana, kung tawagin ng generation na mga jologs kagaya ko.
They all, have one thing in common. We love freestyle, we love their song.
Oh.
And ano lang fun fact about Soslo, kaya ako siya favorite, okay? When I was in high school, sumali ako, for the very first time, sumali ako ng singing contest.
Okay.
And yan ang kinanta ko, So Slow. And I actually won first place sa singing contest na yan. So,
Anong premyo?
hindi naman ako pala kanta, no? Pero I think yung kagandahan ng So Slow bumagay talaga sa akin. And years later, when I was already a DJ at Wish, I was at the bus one time, naglalaro-laro lang kami, and then there was a band, I think hindi nakarating yung guest namin, but we already have a band. So, we're like, okay, I'm just gonna sing. Why not? So I sang that as well sa Wish Bus, yung So Slow. So I have like a version of So Slow at the Wish Bus somewhere out there.
Hanapin namin
Yeah.
yan. Hanapin
Nako.
namin.
That's why it's very special to me. Favorite ko yung solo. Tropang Ilonggo! Mag-ingay! Woo!
Tropang Ilonggo!
Yan. Tropa na, Ilonggo pa.
Ano bang menu natin?
I know, right? Meron sisig, meron tayong picadillo, meron tayong looks like they have pancit. We have longganisa so far. Marami pa iba.
Natutunan sa Canada, sa Toronto na sa amin kasi giniling na baboy lang ang tawag doon eh.
Picadillo.
Picadillo pala. Parang lakas maka UK, no? Picadillo Station.
Picadillo Station.
Ang corny ko. Picadillo yun eh.
Picadillo Circus. Tara, punta tayo sa VIP section.
Yes,
Kunyari,
yes.
VIP
VIP.
tayo. Yan, na tayo sa
Tingnan mo,
mga...
ang ganda tingnan, no?
Oo.
Straight na straight, oh.
Right? Parang nakaka-princess.
So, as
Right.
sponsors,
Sponsors right here.
very intimate, ah.
Yeah. Samantalahin na natin habang tayo pa lang. Exclusive. Diba? We'll have an exclusive look. Make some noise! Woo!
Di ba ganun, no? Dati,
Good evening, Araneta! Ayan. Mississauga. Good evening, Mississauga!
tinesting lang muna namin kung okay yung stage. Okay, para
For safety reasons.
Para kami nag-i-inspect.
Yeah.
Ngayon ka lang dumating
Dumating sa buhay ko.
Ngayon ka lang dumating sa Toronto.
Aray ko. Kasi traffic sa 401.
Mahihain. Yan ang mahihain na performer.
Guys, huwag mo akong iwan. one of the best performers sa ating community dito, no? And not just in our
Kilala yan,
community,
no? Kilala.
but sa buong
Alam mo,
Canada.
Before.
Talaga? Ice Aquino,
Ngayon,
everyone.
hindi ko na siya afford.
Ah. Kanina, Ice was performing for everyone here. Actually, when we first started, he was performing for, for the guests. Ayan. Magre-request ka sana ako ng freestyle, pero...
Baka mabanda.
baka ma-spoil. Ayan. Alright. And of course, we have the aptitude and the attitude, the attitude ladies, the aptitude and I Love TV crew working so hard to make this event a success. Of course, they've been doing so great lately, and I am so glad yung ating mga Filipino producers, diba? They're striving, and I'm really proud of them. They keep giving us great shows na talagang, alam mo yun, bringing the Filipino community together. So yay for the Filipino producers.
Thank you. Wala silang kapagod-pagod at wala silang katakot-takot maglabas ng salapi.
Dito lang kami, support lang kami.
Wala kami salapi.
Hi Pogi, pwede makapagkilala? Hi.
Sir.
Anong favorite freestyle song mo?
My favorite freestyle song is So Slow
Na?
and Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang.
Wow, bakit ngayon ka lang? De, favorite namin yung bakit ngayon ka lang. Yun lang. Yun lang. Thank you. Thank you for your
Yeah.
pinanganak yan nung kanilang first major concert sa Araneta,
with
diba?
Pops
With
Fernandez.
Pops Fernandez.
Yeah. But originally sung by Augie Alcacid, right?
That's right.
Alam mo
Masabi ko lang, talagang memorable yung moment na yun. Nung kinanta ni Pops tsaka ni Top, yung bakit ngayon ka lang. Parang it created like a wave. Na hanggang ngayon, classic yan sa mga
Yes.
video okay, di ba?
Yes, and,
kahit hindi ka naman heartbroken,
Sa
di ba?
Spotify, sa mga music stream, yung pa rin yung pinutuloy, yung live version pa rin.
Yung merong sa huli, diba? Ladies and gentlemen, the freestyle, di ba? Yung may gano'n.
And there's a good falsetto at the end of Tops, right? Yeah.
Classic. What's your name again?
Joanne from
Fran. Where's Lalululu? something about gemstones.
Yeah, I'm the founder of Gemstone Destiny, and this is all handmade. I make it like one by one, just to make sure the quality is there. So I hope everyone will enjoy my collections and pieces.
What can you recommend if I am, trying to look for something to calm me? Yung parang ma-alleviate ang anxiety.
This is actually good for anxiety.
Ooh. Okay, hawakan natin, no? Hawakan natin. How about ito? Gustong malaman ng lahat. How about to attract money?
Of course, the green event.
The green. Oh.
Yes, and the jade, the favorite. A lot of
Oh,
people are
oh, this is
actually-
so pretty. This is so pretty.
They love it,
Ooh.
especially for money. It attracts a lot.
Yeah. Oh, look. Can I? Yeah. Jade, it has long been worn as a symbol of good luck and success. It helps release negative energy, promotes harmony, and opens the door to new opportunities. Oh, diba? So, take note of that. And where can they find you, Gemstones?
See over there, so I'll be on Scarborough Town Center.
Oh, ayan pala eh. Mabuhay Festival. Let's go to the
Oh, CNE. You're going
X.
to CNE.
Yeah. And Mississauga Film Fest. And how about socials? You're
You can follow me and in my socials, Instagram, it's Gemstone Destiny.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Gemstone. I feel energized already, and I can feel the money coming in. Ito naman interview natin ng napaka sexy. From gemstones to gem. Ito gem lang. Hi Gem, how are you today? Expect yun, but okay, so this is it. This is the concert. Anong thing that you like? I mean, song, music?
I'm looking forward sa Before I Let You Go.
Woo! Everyone's looking forward to that song, I know.
Yeah.
Before I Let You Go. I know, right? Meron bang ka bang naiisip pag kinakanta yung Before I
Wala
Let-
naman.
Wala
Secret.
naman, no.
Yeah.
But it's just like, something that you always want to sing.
back
Kasi,
memory.
oo, it brings back, hindi lang naman heartbreak, di ba?
Yeah.
Sometimes yung song, it's a time capsule.
Yes.
Di ba?
I agree.
Naalala mo yung mga ginagawa nyo, ng mga friends nyo, habang kinakanta yung Before I Let You Go, di ba?
Yes. Very nostalgic.
Very nostalgic.
Yeah.
There you go. Sabi nga nila kagabi, diba, sa press con, something to look forward to tonight, sabi ng freestyle, was that nostalgic, beautiful, sarap.
Yun.
Some of the words, sarap, ayan. So, looking forward to that. Thank you,
Thank
Jem.
you.
Enjoy
Thank you so
tonight. Hi, Miss Jaina Alano. Are you excited for tonight? Yeah. Don't forget to, yeah.
So, co-presenting sponsor kami ng event, and we're really are patronizing and supporting Ralph and
Aptitude.
yes,
Yeah.
Aptitude and Lovely. See you all.
Yeah, of
Thank
course.
you.
Don't forget, Jaina Alano
Yes.
is of representing the Clifton Hill District Theme Resort. Isn't that great, no?
It is.
Parang,
It's
imagine
an opportunity to make 1 million in 5 years. The
That's
best
true.
investment we have in Canada. That's why I'm very passionate to share to Filipino families.
Guys, para ba yan? Isama nyo na lang ako dyan. Wala akong masabi. Sama nyo na lang ako.
And also, we're giving for investors round-trip ticket to Philippines and 200,000 discount for early birds.
Okay, so how can they contact you? Just the phone number right there?
Correct.
Yeah, 289-700-3439. Don't forget, Jaina Alano.
Yes, one month launching, we're 50% sold.
Anyone looking for property at Clifton Hill, Niagara? One of the best.
Thank you
Here she
so
is,
much.
right?
Hi
Go
guys,
ahead.
this is Joyce Manzanero and my husband Moy.
Are you guys excited for tonight?
Yes, we're very
Any
excited.
like favorite song of
Yeah,
freestyle?
So slow, before I let you go, para sa'yo, marami pa.
Wow, what a nice date, right?
Thank you.
Date night. Any plans after tonight?
So may work siya. So,
Yeah, work. Back to
yeah.
work. Oh no! Back to reality agad.
reality.
But I hope you guys have a great time tonight. Of course, this is people have worked so hard to make this event a success. And thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Enjoy, guys.